Siddaramaiah makes another Kannada push. Is it pride or just political playbook? Let's find out. This is going to be a short debate, ladies and gentlemen. All right, Siddu's Kannada push, pride or political playbook. You know, the beauty of insisting on a strong federal system, much like what time and again is said by South Indian states, reflects itself most in priding over the languages of the region. Now, speaking on 1st of November at the 70th Karnataka Rajyotsava celebration, the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Siddaramaiah, expressed concerns about how English and Hindi have gradually weakened the state's children's creativity by distancing them from their mother tongue, Kannada. What he said, I'm going to quote him here. He says, building a nation is not just about roads and bridges, it is also about emotional, cultural and linguistic harmony amongst our children. Listen in.
ಹಿಂದಿಯಂತ ಭಾಷೆಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ಭಾಷೆಯ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ದುರ್ಬಲಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತಿವೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನೀಡುವ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಜಾರಿಗೆ ತರಲು ಸೂಕ್ತ ಕಾನೂನುಗಳನ್ನು ತರಬೇಕಾದ ಅಗತ್ಯವಿದೆ. ಈ ಕುರಿತು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರವು ಗಮನ ಹರಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ಒತ್ತಾಯಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Siddaramaiah also put the blame on the centre and said that there was a stepmotherly treatment towards Kannada because Hindi and Sanskrit was being preferred. Let me quote what the Chief Minister said. He said, while the state contributes over 4.5 lakh crores in taxes, it is being denied its fair share of funds and grants. Hindi and Sanskrit receive generous support, but Kannada and other regional languages are neglected. He also, of course, announced several plans to give a massive fillip to Karnataka. That's all very well. It's very positive. But at another function, he announced that all the cases filed against Kannada activists would be withdrawn. He's saying that that is the government's commitment. But we've all recall that in December 2024, how over the issue of Kannada signboards, these activists of the Karnataka Rakshana Vedike, they had vandalized many malls and other establishments. Actually, that was Gundaism in Bengaluru. What was clearly a law and order breakdown. Now, they say it's linguistic nationalism. I don't agree at all. Also, in the recent speech, Siddaramaiah said, and as follows, he said, no matter which language someone speaks to you in, reply in Kannada. But then they also say that, you know, Bengaluru is the biggest IT hub. It is a city which invites people of different castes, religions, languages. And we've seen how many people have gotten beaten up because they do not speak Kannada. What if I did not speak Kannada? Like that two Bihari men who were actually knifed recent times. We'll also show you the number of cases that are happening. So what is really going on? Kannada nationalism cannot become such a big issue where you start feeling insecure that, my God, if I don't reply in Kannada, then that's it. It's going to have a problem because it has the endorsement of the Chief Minister himself. Satya Prakash stays with us, and also I'm joining by Ashok K.M. Gowda, spokesperson for the BJP. Very warm welcome, and Satya, welcome back, as it were. You know, it's all very well. We all pride on Kannada, great language, what literature. My God, you know, I wish people would read it. Lots of good things about all our languages, particularly Kannada, if I talk about it. But what is this, Satya, about, you know, taking away all the cases and saying that, you know, all the cases have finished against all this Kannada activists who went around vandalizing your beautiful city, Bengaluru, and also saying, if someone asks you something, in Hesri, what's your name? You should only reply in Kannada. What if I do not know? If I say, mujhe nahi aati, mera naam Sudha hai, or if I say, yen per Sudha, I get lamb, do I, Satya?
Karnatakaದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡವೇ ಸರ್ವಭೌಮ
ಇಲ್ಲ.
and during, I'm telling you, no, if you tell illa, we tell haudu. No doubt. In Karnataka, Kannada is supreme. There's no doubt on that.
Don't
and
expect...
normally it is a practice.
Yeah.
No, I'll tell you. Give me at least 30 seconds.
Sure.
I'll explain my initial, comments. And it is a normal, during Rajya Sabha day that, any activist, Kannada activists who have fought for the language. Language, what is language? Language is not just medium of instruction. It is not just a way to communicate. It is a culture of Kannada. It is a culture of Karnataka. It is a culture of this land. And all those who have fought for the culture of this land. It is a normal process that during
But to
Rajya
say,
Sabha, the
why have you taken back all the cases against the Kannada activists? That was a law and order failure on part of your government.
Karnatakaದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡವೇ ಸರ್ವಭೌಮ. All those who have fought for the sarvabhaumate of the Kannada.
Sarvabhaumate is fine, but even if they have vandal, what about public property? What about public property? All are you saying that only if those? I am asking you before I go to Ashok. Are you saying, like your chief minister said, if you say, how are you in Kannada, and if I answer in English or Hindi, I am not welcome in Karnataka or Bengaluru?
You are welcome, but you need to speak in Kannada after 3 months or 4
Fine.
months or 6 months.
Will you learn Punjabi
When I-
if
when
you
I-
live in
when-
Jalandhar?
I-
Will you
I
speak
will
in
tell you.
Punjabi?
When-
Will you speak
when
in
in
Punjabi?
Rome-
This country
when in
belongs.
Rome,
This
you
is
have to be a
freedom.
Roman.
No,
When
sir.
you- when- when
No,
you- when
sir.
you- when you are in
Fundamental
Rome-
rights,
when
sir.
you are-
The right to
when you are
movement
in
and
Rome-
employment.
when you
Ashok,
are-
come in
when-
here, Ashok. What
when
is
you
this?
are in
This
Rome,
is
you have
pure
to be a Roman.
politics,
When you
sir.
are in
It is
Karnataka,
like
you have
it
to be
is.
a Kannadiga.
I can't
Simple as
shout
that.
more than this, Ashok Gowda. Don't you think this is just pure politics and a playbook? It has nothing to do. There is no doubt Siddaramaiah is a Kannadiga at heart. He wears it on his sleeve. So are you, so is Satya, so is DK Shivakumar, so is Anantnag, so are so many people. But what is this? Then don't call it the IT hub. Don't say it's the fastest growing city. Because my child wants to come and work there. They say, Amma, we do not know how to speak Kannada. What happens then? Ashok Gowda, come in here, sir.
It's very simple, Sudhaji. Just by forcing somebody to adopt a particular language or particular thing will not solve any problem. But by policy, by implementation, it will solve. Only by law, nothing can be solved. And that is the belief of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Of course, in Karnataka, we request everybody to speak in Kannada, but we don't force anybody to speak in Kannada. That is the difference between Congress Party and BJP. Now, let us come to this. What has Siddaramaiah in his chief minister tenure of his 7.5 years, and as well as being a Kannada development minister in his first tenure between 1984 to 1985, and as well as a finance minister, DCM, done for Kannada development. His own Kannada minister does not know how to write Kannada. His own primary education minister does not know how to speak Kannada. When that such kind of people are around Siddaramaiah, he gives grammar literature, grammar's advice inside the house. But whereas his own grandson, he has not taught grammar. That is the irony. And whereas what we request is, instead of all this bhashan and all other things,
Yes.
let us come to ground implementation. How can we make sure that everybody coherently speaks Kannada, at least to an extent?
Yeah, your education. I remember the education minister, Madhu Bangarappa, no, Ashok? Where it was in public, where someone got up and say, you do not know how to speak Kannada. Isn't that right? Was it that, do I remember it right? Where a minister, he was told in public, you do not know how to speak Kannada at all. But Ashok Gowda, quickly tell me, it is not just Siddaramaiah ji, but also Muka Stalin in Tamil Nadu. They say, how come you give so much of budgets to Hindi and Sanskrit? And why have you reduced the budget for Tamil? Much like what Siddaramaiah is saying. Is there not a stepmotherly treatment here, sir?
See, absolutely anybody in India, we have more than 2,200 languages. In Karnataka itself, the spoken languages is more than 12 languages.
No.
Meaning to say, in my own village, there is a people belonging to one particular community who speak Kannada with Tamil words. So can I say that they don't belong to us? They don't belong to Karnataka in my own village. So see, what is the simple point is, we should adopt everything. That is Indianness. That is the culture of India. At the same time, we should allow them to have at least simple things to speak in Kannada if they want to, but we cannot force.
All right.
Remember, Bangalore is a city which has 550 years of history.
Exactly. Now this suddenly, yeah.
On the lines of secularism, on the
we don't want lessons from Hindi wala party. We don't want lessons from BJP which doesn't give respect Kannada culture. We don't want any gyan from that party which belittles Kannadigas. We don't want any lessons from that party who has done a great injustice for Kannadigas by giving just 13 paisa for every 1 rupee given. We don't want lessons from Modi party, which is a Hindi wala party, which does gross injustice to Kannadigas and people of Karnataka. Even after paying 4.5 lakh crores, you're giving pittance for every 1 rupee, you're giving 13 paisa, while for your pet country, Gujarat, for your pet state, Gujarat, you're giving 31 paisa. It is a shame, and we don't want lessons from a party which does huge injustice for the state of Karnataka.
You know, I don't understand. So far, Hindi wala party, dhoti wala party, Modi's party, all this is fine. Suddenly, what has happened to you? You said we are about oneness. We do not want one nation, one election. But here you are going on and on about uniformity when it suits you, Mr. Satya Prakash. I do not understand. I think it is just the way is that because of the problems that you are facing, and I don't want to repeat myself, this is just one way of saying. But why don't you have
diversity? You have to accept the diversity.
Diversity is
Without
also that I'm a Manipuri, sir.
there will not be
Diversity. Let's put
unity.
up those things, Mr.
India is a diverse country. There
Yeah,
are
sure
many
it is.
languages.
Then why do people get beaten up in
for a
Bengaluru? Why do
for a
Manipuris
language-
get beaten up in
I will give
Bengaluru?
you-
Why
I'll
do
give you.
women
For
get
a
beaten
language-
up in
For a
Bengaluru?
language which is spoken by just 20,000 people, which constitutes to 0.002%. Thousands of crores are given. While for a language which is eighth largest like Kannada, they claim that they have given 150 crores in your show. I went back. Those 150 crores have been given to a central institute in Mysore, which is an institute for all languages, not just Kannada.
Okay,
So
Mr.
when I
Gowda,
went
come in
to-
here.
when
Mr.
I went and saw
Gowda,
there,
Mr. Gowda,
the
before
total
you
amount
start,
given to
because
other
I'm...
regional languages, all languages put together,
All right,
Hindi gets
I'm not
more than
gonna
all
shout.
languages put together.
No, I'm not going to shout. Mr. Gowda, please come in. But before that, let me
For
also
my
make it...
language, I am going to shout, Sudha. For मेरा अस्तित्व के लिए, कन्नड़ा का अस्तित्व के लिए, I am going to fight my way. That's as
Yeah,
simple as
only
that.
you have a mother tongue. We don't have any mother tongues. Come on, Ashok Gowda, let me come to you. So this stepmotherly treatment and everything, my whole contention is that sure, I love my mother. That's my first language, and I get up in the morning, I speak in my mother tongue. That's how I have been brought up. But if someone has not been, it's okay. I am not here to sit on judgment, and I'm not a politician. I am only saying that the cases of people getting beaten up by auto drivers, in the bank, by people on the streets, knifing them. Don't you think if you make a statement like that, only reply in Kannada, these Kannada, Rakshana, Vedike and many other mushrooming people will come and there will be lawlessness on the street, Mr. Gowda.
See, first thing is, what can we expect from a government which has withdrawn the cases on PFI, leaving set aside the terrorist activities people 1,650, and they have withdrawn the cases on the people who have pelted stones on police station. So such kind of a government is there in Karnataka.
Are you comparing Kannada activists to
on
PFI
the
agents?
people who
Are you
break the law and
comparing
order?
Kannada
It is not
activists,
perfect for us.
those who fight for Kannada with PFI activists? Come on,
Taking
yeah,
such
say.
kind of a statements wherein you can take the law and order into your hand, meaning to say first of all, Karnataka is suffering from the breakdown of law and order, and lot of people are already complaining on that. And such kind of a statement from a Siddaramaiah is definitely condemnable, wherein you can do whatever you want, but at the same time, what you have done for the development of Kannada, please speak, Siddaramaiah ji. Instead of that, he was bullying only all others, including the central government. He did not say that what his government has done in the past 7.5 years as a chief minister, that for the development of Kannada.
Just
Or
30 seconds left.
When-
I want to ask
yeah.
Satya Prakash ji. Tomorrow, if there is some, Satya ji, I have just 30 seconds left, my sir. I'm saying tomorrow if there is violence, and you are somebody who stands against violence. I've seen that. Some girl who's a young girl speaks in and doesn't reply in Kannada and she gets beaten or violated. What are you going to do, Satya?
Have I ever in your show said that anyone who doesn't Kannada have to be beaten? I have never said so. What I said was, everyone who comes to Karnataka should learn that language over a period of time, is all I am saying. And my friend, if he is comparing the great Kannada activists to PFI agents and all the terrorist organizations like VHP, Bajrang
I did
Dal,
not
and
compare.
all these communal organizations,
compare.
it is a shame. That shows his
Okay.
commitment to Kannada. That shows BJP's commitment to
All
people
right,
of
I've come
Karnataka,
to
is
the
all I
end
can
of the
say.
show and I'm going to say thank you to Ashok.
Sirigannadam Gelige, Karnataka Jindabad is all I can say.
And Satya Prakash, I'm going to say thank you to it in Tamil and you can
Thank you.
reply in English. Mika nandri.
Kannadam gelge.
Mika
Namaskara,
nandri.
namaskara.
Vanakkam.
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ